Welcome back, fam. Thank you for clicking on this video. To my returning subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you to you all. I really appreciate your support and your love towards this channel. So if you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. It's your own way of supporting this channel and helping it to grow. Thank you. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to do a product review and unboxing. So I'm going to test this product for you to see and know how it works. So in case you are looking for an affordable or something that costs less, okay, when we talk about juices, you would want to, or you may consider this, okay, after watching this video. So stick with me and let's do this together. So this is my automatic cleaning brush. This is the filter, okay, and it's very easy to fix this. This is the juicer snail, and it's a little bit complicated when it comes to cleaning, but it's cool. This is also the juicer bowl. When you're cleaning, you can open it from beneath and clean everything that is stuck over there. So this product is actually from Cecotec, and here is the play, reverse, and stop controls for you. I'm going to fix this for you to see. So they have marked this place with red for you to be able to fix it well, since it's maybe a little bit complicated for some people. So yeah, I'm going to fix in or push this in. This is my filter before I put the juicing or juicer snail in. That is the normal way to fix your juicer when it comes or looks like this. Okay, so after fixing it on the motor, what I'm going to do is to fix in the juicer snail, which is just very simple. Then the next I'm going to place or fix is the filling container. It's very easy. Just place it on the bowl and switch to the right, and that's all. If you want to take it out to the left, then you just bring it out or you take it off. So as I always do anytime I do a product review, I test it for you to know what you are going for or what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm going to begin with pineapple. So the most important part is to show you the pulp. Okay, so with most of the juices, you see the first pulp looking this way, all right? So to test this and to know how the pulp actually looks like, it takes about 2-3 ingredients in your juices for you to get it, right? So this is it. It juices the apple, um, the carrot so well. The pulp looks good, and it has a little bit of juice in it. I mean, it's not bad. I mean, the quantity of juice I got is not bad. And so I'm going to use this to juice apple. I'm placing everything together. Then we check the pulp that is coming through and decide or to know whatever you think. You can leave it for me in the comment section, okay? And that's fine. So this is apple, okay? And I just like how it just the whole thing, it came out so good. But what about the juice? Is it also going to be smooth? Let me try and add some oranges. So I'm going to add about 3 oranges, and That's okay. This just looks like my clash time juicer. If you haven't watched the video, I'm going to leave the link in the description box for you. Okay, so then we know some juicers come with a sieve and you can just filter it after juicing, but then you want to note that this did not come with a filter. I cannot sieve this, but I had some pulp in this from the oranges, I think, and this is how it juiced the orange. And I don't know, this is how it came out. Okay, so I could say the juice was okay until I added the orange and the pineapple aspect of it. And so yeah, I had this one leaking, and I don't know why. Maybe something went wrong when they were bringing it or something. I don't know if it's a mistake from the company, but it leaks for whatever reason. Okay, and as you can see, my bowl was not overfilled with juice, but it was still leaking, and I cannot say much about this. So I tried to choose tomatoes, and trust me, guys, it really did a great job. It did a great job on the tomatoes. There wasn't any pulp in the tomato juice. There wasn't it was just okay. So you want to note that this juicer also juices any plant-based milk, and it's a plus. So, guys, if you are still watching me at this point and you haven't subscribed, you want to kindly click on the subscribe button, show some love, join the Rema family. I'll be glad to have you. And let's talk about the cleaning of this juicer. I found it a little bit tough with the juicer snail. It gave me a lot of tough time trying to clean it. Okay, aside that, everything was okay. And thank you very much. I hope this video helped, and I wish you good luck on your search for the best juicer. So until I come your way again next time, see you in my next video. Here is Rema Healthy Way. It's bye.